Updating your credit card on Brex Travel is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Brex account. Access the Brex website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your current credit card. In the payment settings, find the credit card you wish to update. Click on it to view the details and options for editing. Step 4. Update credit card information. Enter the new credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating the information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new credit card is now linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Brex Travel. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure smooth transactions for your travel needs.